When searching for the next product to review on Review to You, we wanted a musical instrument that looked good, sounded great, and came with no strings attached. I think we just found it. Introducing the MouKey MEP-120 full-size electric keyboard. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. It's no secret that Matt and I are not musically talented in the slightest. So for today's video, we've brought in a professional, our friend David McVicker. He can play just about anything we throw at him, so this will be a great test for the MouKey keyboard. But first, let's learn a little about what makes the MouKey such a popular keyboard. Specs and features. The MouKey is a full-sized classical keyboard, meaning it has 88 keys, 36 black and 52 white. If you're learning piano, this is the perfect size to practice on, with 7 full octaves available. Each weighted key has an adjustable touch response that feels and responds like a real piano. Head around to the back of the keyboard and you'll find all your input and output ports. Everything from power plug to MIDI controller interface and sustain pedal input. Speaking of sustain pedal, one is included with the MouKey keyboard. You've also got two 25-watt speakers built into the rear for powerful, bass-rich audio. The MouKey keyboard also comes with 36 different tone presets that are displayed here on the LCD screen. And to demonstrate some of them, here's David McVicker. So, for today's review, we thought we'd ask the professional. David, what do you like about the MouKey MEP-120 full-size electric keyboard?
Yeah, I think that it's a good weight, and the action feels really good. I like how it has textured keys, and the weight to the action is pretty good. Yeah, the sounds, they aren't bad. I think this could definitely be a good beginner piano for someone who is looking to get into it. It's a little heavy. I don't know if it would be awesome if you were having to take it to gigs and stuff, but if it just didn't move, if it was in your living room, something like that, I think this would be a great option for someone who's just starting to get their feet wet in the keyboard world.
What don't you like about this keyboard?
Yeah, I think the keyboard is just a little bit heavy. So if you were traveling with this, if you needed to move it, if you were taking it maybe to your church or a coffee shop to play or something, and you have to keep moving it around, it's a little on the heavy side. I also think that some of the controls here, it's really simple with like a one button push here. But if you needed to get to a sound really quick, you know, if you're like, oh, I need to pull up a guitar or something, it's a little hard to do that.
So David, what would you score the MouKey MEP-120 full-size electric keyboard out of 10?
I would give it a real solid, probably a solid 7 out of 10, because the action, the keys feel really good.
So, how do you get your hands on one of these? Well, you've got two options really. You can follow our purchase link we've included in the description below and pick one up for $274.99. Or you could enter the Review to You drawing to win one for free. If you want to win one all for yourself, the rules are very simple. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave a comment with the hashtag we showed you in today's video. We then use a highly sophisticated random selector to choose our winner. The winner will be announced right here on the channel exactly a week from now. This has been Review to You, where the only thing we love more than amazing gadgets is giving them away for free to you. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, see you next time.